Get ready for the most epic toy car escape ever. Deep inside a rumbling volcano, the ground shakes and glowing cracks spread across the walls. It's about to blow, our heroes. 3 brave toy cars know it's time to go. Go, go. They rev their engines and blast toward the exit, dodging falling rocks just in time. Outside, it's chaos. Fireballs rain down and flames shoot up from the ground. They swerve through a treacherous, rocky path, the heat getting more intense with every second. Up ahead, a river of glowing lava blocks their way. Thinking fast, the blue car pushes massive rocks into the flow, creating a shaky, makeshift bridge. The red and yellow cars race across, followed by blue, just as the rocks sink into the molten river. Suddenly, a massive explosion behind them. A giant crack splits the earth. With a final burst of speed, they launch into the air in a synchronized jump, soaring in slow motion over the fiery gap below. They land safely on the other side, just as the volcano erupts in a gigantic fiery cloud. They made it. What an incredible escape!